Caulking every toilet base after replacement is not strictly required, but it is a practical choice for most homeowners who want cleanliness and a finished look. When you replace a toilet, evaluate the wax ring and flange condition first because a proper seal starts below the bowl. If the flange is flush with the finished floor and the wax ring compressed evenly, you can set the bowl and test for wobble and leaks by gently shifting the bowl and checking for moisture after a controlled flush. For caulking, use a high-quality mildew-resistant silicone caulk applied in a continuous bead around the toilet base where it meets the floor. Then, tool it smooth with a finger wet with soapy water for a neat fillet. Leave a small gap at the rear of the toilet if your local code or best practice requires a weep gap to allow hidden leaks to exit and be noticed rather than run under the floor covering. If the bathroom has a floor drain or local building code explicitly forbids a sealed perimeter, skip the caulk and rely on a proper wax or rubber ring and secure mounting to ensure no seepage. Always let caulk cure fully before exposing it to water and recheck the flange hardware tightness after the first day of use. Common mistakes include sealing over a loose toilet, which traps movement and then cracks the wax ring. Tighten and shim the bowl until it is rigid before caulking. Another error is using the wrong caulk like basic acrylic that will mildew and fail. Choose a bathroom-rated silicone labeled mildew-resistant and allow full cure time. A third issue is sealing all around when code or floor drain conditions require a gap. Leave the recommended rear gap so any future leak shows instead of migrating under the floor. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to make it easier for contractors to find work related to finishing and repairs. We also host an active discussion community where users and professionals share practical tips on topics like whether to caulk a toilet base,